आओ यार, अपने कान में ईयरफोन्स डाल लो। क्या डाल भी लिए? बहुत तेज हो रहा है, बहुत तेज हो रहा सालो। खैर शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी बकचोदी के।
Hi guys, myself Gagan. I am here to explain about heart architecture. First, the heart is a muscular organ about the size of our fist, pumps the blood throughout our body. It is controlling our emotions, our biological system, and it is our very expensive existence. Now let us see the human heart anatomy. First, the heart has four chambers. The and heart valves controls the blood flow. Coronary arteries supply the blood to the heart muscles, and rate of heart rate is controlled by the electric signals. The external structure of the heart, the position and precambrium and blood vessels and the shape. In the position of the heart is located in the central part of our chest behind the lungs. The precambrium is the fibrous sac surrounded and protects by the heart. Blood vessels. It is an arteriopulmonary arteries and veins connected through the heart and central system. Shape. The shape of the heart as one like a shape, the rough structure and the size of our fist. The internal structure of the heart. Arteries and ventricles, heart muscles, septum and stenodes. In arteries and ventricles, the upper arteries and lower ventricles separate by the heart valves. In the heart muscles, the thick and powerful mitochondrium is responsible for the heart's contraction. Septum. The structure helps to regulate the blood flow through the heart. SA nodes. It is a natural peacemaker of the heart located in the right atrium. The cardiac cycle. First, ventricular diastole, atrial systole, and ventricular systole. In ventricular diastole, the relaxation of ventricles allows them to follow the blood throughout our body, and atrial systole controls and pumping the blood into the ventricles. Ventricular systole. Here, the ventricular systole is contracts and pump the blood through the lungs and throughout the body. Heart blood supply. The coronary arteries, cardiac veins, and seismic circulation. In coronary arteries, these blood vessels supply the heart muscles the oxygenated and nutritious blood. In the cardiac veins helps the blood vessels to remove the waste product from the heart muscles. In the seismic circulation, the arterio and other arteriums supply the oxygenated blood to the body. Heart inversions. In the heart inversions, there are four types: the sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system, and cardiac plexus and receptors. In sympathetic nervous system, it helps to speed up the heart rate and breath, breathing during the time of stress and exercise time. In parasympathetic nervous system, helps to slow down the heart rates during the rest and digestion hours. In cardiac plexus, here in cardiac plexus, the network of the nerves are ganglia that controls the heart rate. In baroreceptors, it is a specialized cells that detect the change in blood pressure and regulates the heart responses. In clinical significance of the heart, there are four types of clinical significance of the heart: diagnostic test, coronary heart disease, and mitochondrial infections, and treatments for the heart diseases. Now, the diagnostic testing. The invasive method like endocardiogram and electrocardiogram helps to detect the heart problems in the heart. It is a simple and very expensive treatments for the people. Coronary heart diseases. It is the most common type of heart diseases found in the generation, caused by the buildups in the arteries. So the coronary heart diseases are caused. In mitochondrial infections is also called as a heart attack, and the heart attack is occurred due to the overflow of a blood or pressure built in the blood vessels of the heart causes the damage to the heart valves. By this way, heart attack is caused. The treatments for these options, above three options. First, in some cases, the heart transplantations may work or not, but in case it is necessary to save a patient, heart transplantation is necessary. By this way, I conclude my topic of biology, the human architecture piece.
तो यार बस आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। अब अगर तुम लोग को वीडियो पसंद आई ना तो यार लाइक मारो, कर दो यार, तुम्हारे पैसे थोड़ी ना कट रहे हैं, कर दो। अब अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो यार सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उसके साथ मैरी गो राउंड खेलो या फिर टिपी टिपी टैप, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए।